freedom? Do you wish you had freedom in your life to make the choices that you want? Or are all your choices based on the needs of others? That can cause a person to start to lack confidence in themselves and their own self-expression. So if you want to be more empowered in making your decisions and pursuing your dreams, then you want to have the feeling of freedom. Many times we say things that actually tell our brain that we're not important enough. Like we're not going to do something, or we haven't done something because of the needs of someone else. We have to fulfill their needs. And so because of filling theirs, I didn't fill mine. Actually, you can probably do both, and you just don't realize it. You've only been taught you could just only be there for that person or these ones. You have to do it all, and that leaves nothing for you. That is just a limited belief. You could actually be for others what you want to be, and you can be for yourself what you want to be. And when you do that, you get that freedom. You get that confidence in yourself for you, not based on what you're doing for others, but what you also do for yourself, that self-expression. So if you're looking for that vibe, you'll want to do the 3-step thought process to help your brain to see the avenues that you are not giving yourself a voice. And the things that you do that really under your skin are telling you, I'm irritated. And actually you'll know it because you'll get really resentful. I do all this, and yet you are doing this to me. We get resentful. And that's because we are not choosing to also give to ourselves. So use the 3-step process to address those, so that instead of those being the excuses as to why you don't have your dreams in your life, you'll actually be achieving your dreams. You'll be working towards those dreams and still being there for the people that you want to be. This is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost, and I'm all about the brain. It's about understanding your brain and how to use your emotions in a way that is going to continue to be productive, because your brain can keep you motivated. But if you tell your brain, I can't do this for me because I have to do this for someone else, it's always going to be creating that for you, and you're going to start to have resentment. Even though inside you might be happy or proud or grateful to a certain extent, there's still going to be that little irritation underneath that's going to mar it, and it's going to just seethe and get bigger and bigger. And then when those ones you're doing all those things for disappoint you, oh, it's going to hit hard because you haven't done for yourself. This is Renee with DIY Mental Boost. Download any PDF guide, watch one of the follow along videos, and you're going to start to learn how to do this 3-step process. There's a jumpstart PDF guide that you can get, and you can within 30 days start to learn how to rewire your brain. It takes less than 2 hours a week to start to learn and implement, and you'll actually see results as you're doing it. So can you imagine that in under 5 hours, you're going to actually see an enhancement in your emotional state of how you're feeling about your life, the freedom that you have to make the choices for you that you want.